I wish you... Dude.
Yeah, what's up, buddy?
So crazy. I saw cleanse. I saw cleanse.
Yeah, we're a better position now. You coming? Bubble.
3-1. Nice. Good shit. Wow, you're fragging. You're fragging out. No, you're the W streamer. Thank you. Also, I'm seeing, did they take away 2 tanks? I think so. Well, they put Doom. They put Doom, and who else did they take off tank? No one, right?
Yeah, I'm Doom.
Yeah, they got rid of 1 tank.
One in the dolphins now.
Oh, I'm so one. Oh, I'm so dead. Hold on.
Can we get Sarah? So dead.
I'm one.
With the 2 points. Huge sleep.
Yeah, they added a bunch of tanks. They added, yeah, shitload. They added, probably since you last played, I think, what, like, Sig, Ram, Hazard,
Wrecking Ball, perhaps.
Yeah, probably Wrecking Ball as well.
Junker Queen.
Obviously, yeah. And then Amalga.
No, they've actually been releasing a lot of content for this game since it was.
Oh my god. Bro, I got slapped. I was gonna ult, I was gonna ult.
Doing?
For the... That was a feed, I was gonna ult. Brother, I'm feeding, bro.
It's kind of fine.
Amalgameta was cancer? Bro, it was cancer. Yeah, it was cancer. Show his ass.
I fucking hate Malga.
In the end, doesn't even matter.
Yeah,
I'm gonna throw in some Linkin Park. Yeah, she does.
Yeah, she's trying to get them out of the
Don't go sleep. Oh my god, I fed it again. I fed it again. I was gonna do the same thing, bro. I'm so stupid. Hold on, my brain's actually off. I think I just cost us the game. Oh, no, I didn't. Alright, I'm gonna ult this. 3.
Can you contest?
2. 1. I'm gonna kill myself.